Good afternoon, everyone. This is Fender. It's Wednesday afternoon, March 7, 2018, time 1:05 p.m. This very short video is on weather. I had heard a powerful thunder clap overhead about, I would say, 1:01 p.m. a few minutes ago. It's snowing here in New York City now. Temperature is 33 degrees as well here in New York City now. And yeah, so basically it's thundering and snowing in New York City now. This weather is really abnormal. I mean, this weather is really going crazy these days. Yeah. I know Australia has gone through some kind of snowstorm yesterday, I believe, and England has gone through a snowstorm as well several days ago. Yeah, so this is it. Take care, everyone. Bye.